everyone, Tracie here. We're here at Jason Lee's studio.
Hi everybody.
We're gonna be doing a collaborative photo shoot. It's boudoir and fashion style, right?
Absolutely.
Yes, and this is his new studio. So when you want to tell us about it?
A little bit everything. This is roughly 1,500 square feet studio space. We have all kinds of lightings, wardrobe right there. Got a piano, got some retro, refrigerator, all kinds of props. Pretty much I do everything photo shoot wise, but mainly I do boudoir like the collaborate today. Yeah, you do the talking.
Awesome. So right now, this is my first outfit. As you can see, we're gonna be telling a story on how I'm dressed up. I came home, I have my wine glass, and I'm waiting for my husband to come home, George. And we're gonna have some lingerie on the bed, because I'm waiting for him to get our sexy time. That's the story.
When collaborating with another creative or a team for any photo shoot, always make sure to be transparent with your communication and let them know your comfort level. For instance, as you can see with a boudoir photo shoot, it showcases intimate styling and poses to capture sensual, romantic, and/or sexy images. It's used either to celebrate your own sexuality and to celebrate being comfortable in your own skin, or it is used as a gift for your romantic partners to help spice up your intimacy and your love life. Since boudoir photo shoots are in intimate settings, it's very important to communicate with the photographer or vice versa, letting them know how comfortable you are to dress a certain way, to do certain poses, how much skin you want to show, and so forth. For my particular shoot, we wanted to create a story around our concepts, so I stylized my outfits, makeup, accessories, and poses a certain way to capture a certain mood and to tell a specific story. Thus, here are some of our images from this first outfit.
So we just shoot the first scene of the story of me waiting for my husband, George, to come home, and I have my little champagne, and now I'm gonna change into the lingerie. So I'm gonna be shooting on the bed with the lingerie on to start our sexy time as part of the story. Goodbye.
When posing for boudoir photo shoots, you want to create sensual but subtle angles of your body. Whether you want to look sensual with a soft touch or super sexy with more exaggerated poses, make sure you create beautiful angles of your body that flatters you. For instance, there are poses I have done which accentuates more of my curves of my butt or of my hips or legs. Whatever you do, move slowly with a nice flow and constantly communicate with the photographer throughout the shoot for help on poses or to discuss what poses you want to do. Here are a couple of images from this outfit.
All right, so I'm done modeling a couple outfits already, so I'm gonna go ahead and get changed into a nice sexy lingerie fashion look. So here you go. Ta-da! So what do you guys think about my outfits? Let me know in the comments to see if you like this kind of styling, if I should wear more of this style. Let's get shooting.
It is very important to pre-plan all of your outfits before your boudoir photo shoot. For my outfit here, I specifically wanted to go for a grunge look with the lingerie and made it into a fashion look by adding accessories like my statement necklace and a chunky bracelet and a black lace robe over it with heels. I wanted to show more fierceness and sexiness to the set, so my posing changed as well, doing more exaggerated body poses and face expressions. It is important to always communicate these ideas with the photographer so they know what type of lighting they will use to set your mood. To see the full sets of all of these images, I'll appreciate your time supporting my Patreon, as I will also offer posing guides, art prints, BTS photos and videos, and my one-on-one services as a posing coach to personally help you prepare for your next photo shoot by going over outfit styling, hair, makeup, and posing tips for anyone. Also, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you may receive alerts on my upcoming videos.
This is my second outfit. Stay tuned of what the mannequin Jessica is going to wear.
Make sure to have fun and celebrate your beautiful self in your own boudoir photo shoot. Everyone has their own comfort level, so please do not pressure yourself to do a boudoir photo shoot if you are not comfortable with it. Even though these shoots are intimate, it is meant to be a fun confidence booster to see yourself in a way you feel sexy, empowered, and beautiful celebrating yourself. I did my very first boudoir photo shoot just 2 years ago, and I remember feeling super insecure at first, but over time I became more confident in my own skin and also became more confident doing more boudoir photo shoots for the fun and art of it. It does not matter what shape, size, or height you are. You all should be celebrated and feel empowered in one way or another.
Alrighty, and that's it. We are done with our photo shoot. And so thank you all so much for watching. Please make sure to subscribe and comment below what other kind of concepts you want to see and watch. And make sure to follow Jason as well on his social media, Jason Lee, or J Lee Studio, right?
Yep, J Lee Photo Studio.
Awesome. And Jason Blonde.
Yep, Jason.
Thank you all so much. Bye!
To see the full sets of all of these images, I'll appreciate your supporting my Patreon.